Tini tulasi ko rasno kare dia wa tamu nani jaga mo?
Gonam.
Hah? Badlabari Faisok Paika, Chini Tako Okra, Daranjon, Tini Chong, Chona Yakaritanga, Bo Hayona Yakaritanga, Belay Kakamjak, Belay Dukot, Belay Costo, Tini Faisok Wajak, Bong Nok Hook, Tong Telefon Zagari, Gayamahino, Winnie Nox and Nog Arinigana Wakacha, Borok Chikon, Nok Tangjak, Painopika, Belay Bukawa Costonaka, Amunga Tini, Boni Logi Chung Tongo, or Tinango Chung Jamanse to Brono Logi Tanai, Te Chung Tinoza Painopika. Bini logi song te bini chere kroni bare khare chuchu borok porelai tongjawo bini sajo khorokchani porikha tini tongmani bini porikha tini misongi thanjaka ingai te bini chere bo class 6 pori tonglai jawo borok tola sikori school khoroknai no awni bangani boni kuno income source lamate kuno korai chung paikhana bika boni kuno te abahi bini logi song chori chai ani bisinte borok bini logi song no treatment khaina jaga wa borok boni ration card bo bini thani bondo ro mari kharokni khanawo abno belai kharok masinja abang chung tibrasar chung takut buku dari jatuh chung khairagoi borona chung cubana nango mahai jarawa borbo bangkupalo borbo kaham nong namu chung borbo genang nong namu chung nahi bangkupal jani bangai ba sep kaham maya ni bangai borbo mahai jarawa kelai chung na abang chung jatuh na pal ke borona pari logeri wai chung borona domsawai buskang agoi tilang na bangai chung cai chung nai te boni cere khonai rong na chung leka pura khadina chung jatuh na pal kai o jaga kosong kupur hilai chung jatuh pal tibrasa te tibrasa kicing mahai ken chung cubalai buskang agoi thanai na bangai jatuh nang kobogo today we came here to visit our brother Ranjan Debarma, who died today. So he came in their family and visit. They have two children, minor children, and even his wife is also quite poor. They didn't have any house or any other things. They are totally in sad condition. Even they lended their ration card also to some others for their husband treatment. So in this case, we appeal all the Indian citizen, all the Indian people plus on the Triprasa people and state government of Tripura. Please do visit their family and do help in this condition. They are in quite difficult. So I request to everyone to come and visit in their family at Tulasikar under Badlabali, Addition Place. Thank you.